Elevate your coffee game with the Breville Espresso Machine. Tired of waiting in lines for coffee? With the Breville Espresso Machine, every day can start with a barista-quality brew in the comfort of your kitchen. Its sleek design and advanced features make crafting the perfect cup not just easy, but pure joy. Equipped with a built-in conical burr grinder, this machine delivers freshly ground beans for every shot. The precise temperature control and pressure gauge ensure optimal extraction, unlocking the fullest flavors from every roast for espresso that's smooth, rich, and perfectly balanced. Unleash your inner artist with Breville's powerful steam wand. Create creamy, velvety microfoam ideal for latte art and impress friends or savor a luxurious cappuccino. Every cup becomes more than coffee. It transforms into a personal masterpiece. Brewing has never been simpler. Intuitive controls let you choose single or double shots with ease. Cleanup? A breeze thanks to a removable drip tray, water tank, and included cleaning tools. More coffee, less hassle. What's not to love? Why settle for less when you can have cafe-quality coffee at home? Join coffee enthusiasts worldwide and taste the difference with the Breville Espresso Machine. Upgrade your mornings today, click the link below, and make every cup extraordinary.